Alright, so we're here for a construction update on Flying Fox. And they have the lift hill and turnaround complete. And exciting news, I think what this building is right here, I think that might be the entrance to the queue line. And then over there, we have some stairs and some supports, and I think they might put those up today because they might be for the drop or something. And then something else that I noticed is they've been doing renovations with Casamia, and then they actually have the footers over here poured. I don't know if you can see through the trees or not, but anyways, I think those are fresher. But they're over doing something. I think they're digging the tunnel over there. But it's progressing really fast. They're really building this pretty quick.